All right, guys, here's the new Sermon camera. This is the SD card slot right here. It has two SD card ports. Just go ahead and put it in slot 1, and then you should be good. Batteries go in here. Batteries come out like this. They go in like this, and then it goes in like this. And just make sure to lock it before you continue anything else. We have the tripod mount attached to the bottom, and now we're going to move on to the settings on the camera. Okay, so next up, here's the power button right here, and the camera just turns straight on. And if you want to adjust the ISO, you can use this right here, and you can see it's increasing. Go the other way to decrease it. And if you want to adjust the shutter here, you can use this button right here. Just press on it. If it doesn't work the first time, press it again, and you should be able to adjust the shutter. So for this camera, we're going to set the shutter to 125 because we're shooting at 60 frames per second instead of 30 frames. Remember that you can see the frames per second right there, 59.94. That's 60 frames per second. On the old camera, we shot at 30 frames per second, but now we're switching to 60. So this number needs to be doubled so that you get the shutter. So keep it at 125. And then if you want to go and adjust the iris, which is the same as the aperture, you will go to this menu mode right here and make sure you go to the main menu 1, and you should be able to adjust the iris right here. And now you should be able to increase or decrease the aperture from this. And whenever you want to go back, just press on the trigger button and it should take you back to the main menu. Okay, so the next thing you want to watch out for is the menu button. So you can adjust all the different settings for the camera from this mode right here. So you can adjust the shutter speed, you can adjust the aperture, the ISO, and the frames per second all here. So let's say I wanted to change it from 60 frames per second to 24. I can just switch it here, but we're gonna keep it at 60. And then for the shutter speed, yeah, we're keeping it at 125. ISO, let's set it to 1000. And then right here, this is how you adjust the white balance. So yeah, if you want to adjust the white balance, just come to this mode right here and just press right here on this right here, and you should be able to just adjust the white balance. Let's keep it at 3700. And yeah, this is all the basic settings that we need to be aware of. The last thing is formatting the card. So you're going to want to go to menu 2 and click on this right here and click on slot 1, since that's where our SD card is, and we can just go ahead and format the card. So those are all the basic settings for this camera.